Ever wonder why your stomach suddenly sounds like a thunderstorm even when you're not hungry? Here's the wild part. Those rumbles aren't just empty stomach noises. They're your gut resetting itself by creating a tiny internal air vortex. Yep, a literal swirl of gas and fluid spinning through your intestines like a microscopic tornado. When you haven't eaten for a while, your digestive muscles kick on a cleanup cycle, pushing leftover air down the line. And when that vortex hits a tight spot, boom, thunder noises. Even weirder, the louder it is, the healthier your gut usually is.